Hi guys, I'm Mario and today we're going to talk about CodeTweet on Twitter. What is it and how to use it? It's very fast and easy, so let's get started. CodeTweet is basically two people creating one tweet. At this moment, you can't have CodeTweet with more than two persons. So it works like that. The first person creates a draft and invites the second person to co-write the post. Right now, it's just a testing feature, so make sure you're on the latest version of the app. So open your app store, tap Twitter. It doesn't matter if you're using iOS or Android. And here, if you see upgrade instead of open, tap on it. Then just open your Twitter, tap the plus sign to create a tweet. And now on this screen, you should see CodeTweet option if it's available in your country. In mine, it's not. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to see more.